So here are the problems that are faced by people while interacting with blockchain. First, accessing on-chain data in Solana is tough. So you need to understand RPC, command line tools or GraphQL, all of which create a steep learning curve, especially for non-developers and Web3 beginners. Second, even for developers, the experience is fragmented. There is no unified SDK using which they can fetch or interact with Solana data efficiently. And third, there is a lack of natural language or voice-based queries, which makes blockchain interaction feel rigid and technical rather than intuitive. So here is our solution. A developer starts by integrating Solask into their apps using our SDKs, either the standard Solask SDK for text input or Solask Voice SDK for voice input. So these SDKs allow access to the on-chain Solana data through a simplified interface without needing to write complex RPC or GraphQL queries. Coming to the input layer, users can then interact with our SDKs either by text or through voice. Once we have our input in text or voice, our LLM processor built on natural language processing understands the intent and converts it into a structured query. The structured query is then used to fetch real-time and on-chain data from Solana securely and efficiently. Coming to the output layer. The output is delivered in two formats, a human-readable summary, which can be easily understood by the user, and a structured JSON, which can be directly used by the developers to integrate it into any applications. So these are the two packages that we have published, Solask SDK and Solask Voice SDK, to query the blockchain using text and voice respectively. So in order to demonstrate the usage of our SDKs into the applications, we have built a simple application. So with these two lines, we are importing our voice button and our Solask SDK into our application. So as you can see, with this single line, we are able to query the Solana blockchain with voice. And then with this single line, we are able to query the Solana blockchain using text. So here is the demo of that application. I will just type, get me the balance of Raj.sol. So this is the output we get as the balance of Raj.sol, and we will just verify it here. So the balance is 1676664. 1676664. So we have verified that our output is correct. And using voice, for example, let's say I am asking, get me the latest block hash. So as you can see, this is a developer friendly JSON based output. Also, it has taken my input voice as block hash, but we have trained our LLM in such a way that it has the context of Solana blockchain. So it understood that I am asking about the block hash and not a blog hash. And this is the developer friendly JSON based output that I am getting. Thank you.